Jigawa State has taken a significant and bold step by making genotype testing compulsory for all intending couples before marriage. This landmark decision announced by Hamisu Mohammed Gomel, the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, is part of a wider array of priorities approved by the State Executive Council, which includes major investment in water supply, education, and flood control. The new law proposed by the Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development aims squarely at tackling a deeply rooted health issue, sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease is a hereditary blood disorder notorious for causing severe pain, organ damage, and premature death. Nigeria bears one of the biggest burdens globally, with millions affected, making Jigawa's move both timely and critical. By requiring couples to present certified medical reports before receiving marriage clearance from religious, traditional, or civil authorities, the government hopes to drastically reduce new cases of this debilitating disease. The state's proactive strategy goes beyond legislation. Jigawa has set up a committee of the key stakeholders, including ministries and traditional leaders, to launch an intensive education campaign. The goal is to dispel myths, clarity, misconceptions around genotype compatibility, and raise awareness about sickle cell disease's tragic impact. Efforts to improve testing accessibilities and reliability are on the way to ensure that every couple in the state can afford and access quality genotype screening. Genetic counseling services will provide crucial emotional support and guidance, helping couples understand their test results and make compassionate, informed choices. The collaboration between the Ministry of Justice and Ministry of Health guarantees that this initiative is legally anchored, making compliance mandatory and signaling Jigawa's commitment to protecting the health and future of its citizens. While these policies have won praise for its audacity and focus on public health, it has also sparked controversy and criticism. Opponents argue that compulsory testing may infringe on personal privacy and individual freedom, raising ethical questions about whether the government should mandate medical procedures linked to deeply personal decisions like marriage. Some religious groups and traditionalists worry that mandatory genotype testing may clash with cultural and religious practices surrounding marriage, potentially resulting in stigmatization or exclusion of couples who test as incompatible. Experts suggest that periodic reviews and monitoring of these policies' impact are essential to strike an ethical balance. Also, engaging civil society groups, religious leaders, and advocacy organizations will be key to managing stigma and fostering community acceptance. Jigawa State's compulsory genotype testing law is a trailblazing effort, signaling a new wave of proactive public health governance in Nigeria. As the state pioneers this path, the world watches how balancing public health goals with personal rights and ethical considerations can shape a healthier, more informed future for Nigerian families. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at Fact News Africa and Fact News Hausa.